April 2025, new home sales are out and the numbers reflect more than just local trends. With global events like the US-China tariffs in play, here's what's really happening in the market and what to expect next. Hi, we are Pink and Queen.
Developers sold 663 new private homes in April, a 9% drop from March. But don't be alarmed, this dip is largely due to two things. Number one, a lack of mass market launches, and number two, buyer caution due to the surprise announcement of new US tariffs on Chinese goods in early April. That global tension filtered into Singapore's real estate scene, making some buyers, especially investors, hold off for the time being.
The US-China trade tensions rattled financial markets, raising fears about inflation, interest rate pressure, and economic uncertainty. This directly affected buyer sentiment in Singapore. Some chose to wait and see, particularly those in the luxury and investment segments.
Still, we saw strong performances in two key launches. One Marina Gardens sold 384 units, while Bloomsbury Residences moved 107, making up nearly 74% of all private home sales in April. These projects in the RCR stood out even without being near schools or mature HDB estates to draw upgrader demand.
The rest of Central Region RCR led sales with 551 units sold, a huge jump from just 87 in March. Outside Central Region OCR moved 95 units due to a lack of OCR new launches. Core Central Region moved only 17 units, though ultra luxury units at 21 Anderson reached up to 23 million apiece.
In the near term, the month of May could be quiet due to no new launches so far. But there's a solid pipeline coming up in the RCR and CCR, with only 18,125 unsold units in the market, down from 29,000 during the pandemic times. Demand is still healthy and prices are likely to hold steady.
The recent US-China dialogue resulted in a 90-day pause on new tariffs, a temporary de-escalation aimed at easing global market tension. So what can we expect after these 90 days? This is a period of uncertainty and confusion, especially because President Trump is unpredictable, and there is no telling what other new policies might surface during his presidency.
But we see this as a window of opportunity for buyers. Sentiment could rebound as economic stability improves. In the midst of every crisis lies great opportunity. We quote Albert Einstein. So don't waste this crisis.
The bottom line? April might have felt like a slowdown, but Singapore's fundamentals remain strong. If global tensions cool, Singapore's market would be one of the first few to pick up. With strong underlying demand, a tight unsold inventory, and upcoming launches in prime regions, we could see momentum return very quickly, especially among upgraders and savvy investors watching for opportunities.
Follow us for regular updates so you can stay one step ahead in this evolving property landscape.